I'm special, yeah, one of a kind. Then ghosted me like you changed your mind. You came back later with a sad little text. Said, sorry babe, I was emotionally vexed. Whatever that means, you hit my heart, missed by a mile. Then asked me to smile in your quirky style. Your love is dull like a hammerhead, heavy, slow, and slightly misled. You swing for love, but hit regret. Your love's a weapon IKEA can't fix yet. You wear your drama like designer jeans, tear-stained tragic, but squeaky clean. You said I'm deep, yeah, like a puddle in May. I dove right in and drowned halfway. You said we're cosmic, I said sure. Now I'm orbiting your ego's core. Your love is dull like a hammerhead, thick as soup and twice as dead. You call it passion, I call it dread. Your love's a circus, and I'm the bread. Maybe I'm dumb, but I like the show. The way you fake cry, Oscar level though. And every time I tried to leave, you'd quote Shakespeare and then just sneeze. Your love is dull like a hammerhead, cold, confused, and poorly read. But damn, I miss your twist